Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to my weekly analysis. Based on what we still said on DXY, the last week news actually gave some kind of strength to the dollar. I remember our analysis was for it to come to this area and kind of shoot down. But I think based on news, anything is bound to happen. So for now, I'm staying my hands on EURJPY. I'm going to see if it gets stronger this week. I might be selling all this AUGU and gold, but then I will need clear shift, especially in this G. Remember, we're waiting for the market to come back to this zone. So, but let's see what happens. Let's see what happens, guys. So I'll be staying my hands on that. But the two trades I just want to show you guys is AJ and AUDCHF. So AUDJPY, we had a clear break down here, canceling all this area is already cancelled. So let's just use this one. So we had a very good break there. That's a very good break, giving us a shift to the downside. So I'm expecting some kind of reaction for it to go down, but I'm waiting for the market right here. So if you do this, you can see it's just like the market coming for the 88%. So if it can come up there, good. If it doesn't, can keep going. But that's what I'm looking at. Same thing for AUDCHF. I had a very clear break, and this market can come all the way up here. To be safer, right? Because this thing is still going to bust down. But to be safer, you can just leave your stop loss just above here, because market at times can kind of spike up, then move down. So that's what I have. GJ and EJ at the zone, because another break obviously just happened. So okay, so they have some new breaks to the downside. Yeah, so these are breaks to the downside. So I think all these are just wicks. You can wait and look for lower time frame confirmation. Whenever they are ready to shoot down, you can join in. But then I feel like they are all waiting for AJ to come here. So whenever AJ is retesting this trend line, will be when they will move as well. So you can keep an eye on them too, EJ and GJ. So they are, I'm bearish on them, but I'll wait for confirmation. So that's what I have for you guys. If you have any question, feel free to reach out to me, and I'll gladly help. Okay, so let me give you the final one that I have set off. You know, we're looking for a sell on AUDCHF, so I'm looking for a sell on GCHF too, but then you can see that's to come here before I have a trade. If not, can keep going. So I'm waiting for a job at the top here. So that's all I have. That's all I can give out right now. And I'll see you guys next week. Feel free to reach out to me on Instagram or via my email if you have any question on how I trade. If you want to learn any question at all, I'll be available to help. So thank you guys. I will see you guys next week. I hope you're learning. I hope you're practicing. I hope you're making money and not losing money. And please, the most important thing is risk management. Please always calculate what you'll be losing before you take a trade. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.